Ever do a wash and go and it turns white or it doesn't last past day one? Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is LaTrance. I am a hair and nutrition specialist featured in Successful Moments magazine. Well, today you can tell by the title, I'm going to give you 5 tips to make your washing goes last days and not hours. This is one of my highly requested videos to make your washing goes last longer. So I have my notes here in front of me so I do not miss anything to help your hair thrive and to make your washing goes last longer. So let's jump right in, y'all. Tip number 1. You do not have to layer a bunch of products on your hair. Too many layers can cause white residue, especially like mine with low porosity hair. Products are going to sit on top of your hair strands. Leave-ins, oil, gel can be way too much. When you layer your hair with leave-in conditioner, then a cream, and then an oil, that can be too much. You want to keep it simple. Less is better. If you're using an olive oil gel like I do, Eco Styler olive oil gel is one of my favorite gels to use, and it has oil in it. That can be enough. Many gels already have moisture built in, and that one does. You want to use a small amount so it absorbs better. Let your hair dry without touching it. Simple routine, define curls without the white flakes. Tip number 2, you want to apply on soaking wet hair. Your hair should be wet, not just damp. I used to apply my products on damp hair, and I would end up with so much more frizz, and it would make me use too much product. And I'm very heavy-handed on products anyway. And when I just did that on damp hair, I would have so much product in my hair. I usually do my washing goes right in the shower. This way, this is one of my biggest secrets. I do it right in the shower. And this way, if I need to separate or refresh my section, I can usually do that easily with my sprayer. If my hair needs a little water while I'm applying my gel, then I will just separate it and refresh the sections and keep it moving. Water helps the products absorb way much better. And the results, more definition and less frizz. Tip number 3, use the products that work for you. Not every hair likes the same products. What works for me may not work for you. Some people do better with lightweight gels and leave-ins, especially if their hair gets weighed down easily. I personally use the Eco Styler olive oil gel, one of my favorites, which is heavier and it works great for my hair because my hair is very thick. If you already get a gel that has oil, and I like to tell people this, and a lot of people do this, and I feel like this is a really big mistake when you do that. If it has oil in it, you do not need to add more oil. Like I said, a lot of them have the built-in moisture already, but if it's oil free, I highly recommend you just use a few drops. You can lightly put it through your hair, the ends, for the shine and to lock in the moisture. But the key is to experiment and find what gives your curls definition without flakes. Heavy or light oils, whichever one you choose, just use whatever is going to keep your curls happy and truly defined. Tip number 4, You definitely do not want to touch your hair while it dries. This is really the key. Don't touch your hair while it's drying. That's how frizz starts. You want to let it fully dry first and then fluff it and separate if you like volume. Now, with me, when I do my wash and goes, I like my hair very defined. It can be flat, it can be wavy. I don't have to have the big volume, but if you do, you definitely want to make sure that it is completely dried first. Tip number 5. Protect your hair at night. Sleep with a satin or silk bonnet, a scarf, or a pillowcase. If you like the big volume, like I mentioned, you want to go for a loose pineapple. But if your style is more wavy like mine and you want it to lay flat, I put my satin bonnet on it because, like I said, I don't like the big volume. I want it to lay flat. You don't have to pineapple it. A lot of people think that when you do a wash and go, you have to put your hair up in this big old pineapple and sleep at night. Well, like I said, if that's not your style, you don't want your hair with volume, you want it more defined and curled, you can just put your cap on like I do and protect it. Protecting your hair helps your wash and goes last longer. As long as you put that satin or silk cap or that pillowcase, it's going to help protect your hair. And I can go almost 2 weeks without redoing doing my hair. If my hair needs a little refresher, I just use water and my sprayer to reactivate my curls. I have like this little mist thing, and all I got to do is spray the mist, the bottle of the mist spray, the water in the bottle, and I spray my hair, make sure it's, wet, not damp, and then it reactivates my curls. Tip for the length: if you have longer hair, use a bigger cap. If you have shorter hair, you want to use a smaller fitted cap. I want to mention this. A lot of people think that, especially women, you can't grow your hair. If you do wash and goes, it's going to tangle, it's going to break off. That is not true. If you are taking care of your hair, you can do wash and goes. There's so many women that have natural hair and they do wash and goes and their hair is very, very long. If you choose to wear your hair in a wash and go like me, I love to wear my hair in wash and goes during the spring and the summer. Not so much in the winter because I don't really like my hair wet. I don't like to use a diffuser. I like my hair to dry naturally. Then I just do a wash and go. If I do the protective styles more in the wintertime. But you do not have to do protective styles to grow your hair, to have healthy, thick, beautiful hair. If you like curly hair, you can do wash and goes. So try this simple routine, y'all. Let me know how it works out for you. And watch your wash and goes last for days and not just one. Follow me for more hair tips that actually work. If you are serious about your hair and you need help with your hair, please check out my bio. Please check out my bio. And I'll have one in the link below. I have custom hair plans. I'm not trying to push this on you, but just check it out. Look at it. If it's something that you want me to help you with, I am here to definitely do that. So thank you so much again, guys, for watching my video. And please stay tuned for the next video.